Hello, everybody. How are you guys doing today? I hope you are in a good condition and in a healthy body. I am so happy to be here again to explain to all of you about the journal which I have read, which is related to the speaking skill. Okay, so let us take a look. Right. So for today, I took a research from Taylor and Francis journal entitled Improving the English Speaking Skills of Young Learners Through Mobile Social Networking, and it was conducted by Songshun Shin Shilin, Shashinyo Haichao Shen Chongxi, and Liming Guo from China, and they conducted this in 2017. Okay, right. So later on, we will take a look at all these elements. So we will know the conclusion later on after we read and after we pay attention to this kind of elements. So basically, the purpose is to explore the significance of social mobile networking sites. Later on, will be shortened as SNS towards the improvement of the speaking skills of young EFL learners in China. These are the research questions. The research questions is want to know the exploration of this SNS and how the sites will be useful for the speaking skill improvement for the students, and how is it useful as well for their learning environment. Okay, the novelty is why they conducted this, because there is little research evidence regarding the feasibility or efficiency of using mobile SNS, so that social networking skills, to improve the speaking skills of very young EFL learners such as first graders. So because there is little research conducted how social networking improve their speaking skill, that's why it is becomes the background of this research conduct. Okay, and in the methodology, they use quasi-experimental design. They also use pre-test and post-test, and they also divide the students into control group and experimental group. So the control group consisted 35 students and experimental group 37 students. The detail you could look at these slides. And then the average age across both groups was 6.5 years. The study, both classes had received the same course content. So later on, it will be observed and we will take a look at how this social networking site has been completely conducted and which group is performing better in this treatment. Okay, so this starts in the second week of the 2014 semesters and ended at the last of the semesters. The sites is created by the experts and also consulted by them as well. So each participants were given 3 minutes to describe randomly selected pictures out of 10 pictures in English. So they want to look how the students in China pronounce the word or speak the words or utter their opinion, their expression, and then they will be recorded using video recorder and their voice, and also later on we'll have group interview, so there will be a transcription, verbatim transcription, to know how students perform better in their speaking skill. Okay, so the conducted data use SPSS to know how the how the coefficient and how both groups perform better. Which one is perform better? The control group or experimental group? Okay, so the result is the data indicate that the control and experimental groups both improve their English speaking skills in all three dimensions. But the experimental group made greater gains in fluency than the control group did because experimental group used the social networking sites directly and better than the control group did. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you for listening. I hope you could get the point and get the insight from this presentation. Thank you. Have a nice day and bye.